So the joy of every craft person is this, that at the end of every craft trial, the outcome of what is got is loved. I so much love everything about this bag. I love the vibe it's giving. Please do not forget to subscribe if you're yet to do so. And for every of our video you love watching, come on, always give us a thumbs up and a like that we deserve. Please share this video. Come on, let's get rolling. So for this bag pattern, the length of the bag is 16 inches, as you can see, and the weight is 14 inches. So I had to fold like so. And then came in by 1 inch. So I wanted to try something by using the curvy part of my French curve, but at the end I don't think I loved the outcome, so I had to flip my pattern paper to the other side to do something else. So this is me going in by 1 inch again, like I did before, and using a straight ruler to connect the line to the base. Please do not be like me. Always use a ruler. Always use a ruler, please. So this is it after connecting. So after connecting it, I had to curve the pattern like so. So at the upper part I curved like this, but going to the lower part of the bag, the bottom of the bag, I had to make a little curve, not like the upper part, just a small curve, like you can see. So this is it, very small curve. So we need to cut out. This is what we have. So this is it. I went down by 8.5 inches and I drew the line that you can see. Yes. And then this, the purpose of this is to make a pattern for the front bag of this backpack. So I had to fold everything in so that it won't interrupt with my pattern making. So I placed this on another fresh pattern paper to trace out what I have. So this, after tracing it, I had to cut out to have a new pattern for the front part of the bag. So this is it. So what I did was I added ½ inch to the pattern, making everything 9 inches long. That's the length, 9 inches. So this is me. I used everything to cut out the main leather. So this I cut 2 of it, and the front I actually cut 1. So this is it. So the next thing to do is to measure around this bag. So when I actually measured it round, I got about 34 inches. 34 inches. Yes. And that's 34 inches. I used it to cut my zipper part of the bag and the bottom of the bag. The zipper part, this is it, is about 20 inches long, and the width is 5 inches long. The width is 5 inches. And for the lower part, the length is 34 inches, and then the width is 6 inches. So at the whole, after when I actually measured the bag, I told you I got 54 inches. So if you sum everything up, you see that the length is summed up to 54 inches. So that's it. So the next thing to do is to bring in my design belt, and I wrapped it with my bias belts, and then sew it. I did it to the two parts, and this the outcome. Just want to have a design like this. So the next thing to do is to centralize this and put it at the middle of this front bag. At the middle, make sure it's centralized, and then sew down. So this is it after sewing it down. This is it. So the next thing to do is to trace this on this main body of the bag. But before we did that, I had to add this interfacing to this main body of the bag to make it stronger. So this is it. This is the interfacing. I actually sewed it round. So straight to tracing this part on the front part of this bag. So I had to just trace it so we know what we were doing. I traced it before adding my zipper, so take note of that. You have to trace it before adding your zipper to that part. So I went ahead to just make sure this rope is enough by cutting the exact size. So this is the zip. I added the zipper, rather, don't mind me, I was saying rope. I added the zipper, and then I used my belt to seal that rough edge. Use my belt to seal the rough edge after adding my zipper. So this is it. And take note, before I started adding the zipper, I actually added lining to this front part. You can see the lining. So now it's time to place this on the bag. So our guide is that line I drew first. That's where our zipper will be. This zipper will be sewn to that line. So this is what I did. I've sewn it. I had to flip it to the other side. I flip it, and this is it. This is it. The bag is giving what it's giving. It's giving what I love. Yeah. So I had to insert the zip head. And this is it. So the next thing to do is to just stitch everything round. Just sew it round. Boom. Yeah. This is it. After sewing it round, everything is secured. Secured. So the next thing we are going to be doing is to add the belt, like the handle of the bag. Now there's something I forgot to do. I forgot to add the other part that I'll be using to draw the bag in case you want to carry it, but I did add it later. So I just went ahead to add the lining and then sew everything around. I did that for the front too. So this is it. After adding everything, so the next thing to do is to split this zipper part of this bag, the one that is 20 by 5 inches. I have to split it into two to sew my zipper. Please do not forget to share this video. Do not forget to subscribe. See, please, why will you be just coming to this channel, come and go without subscribing? It's not fair now. You see what I'm doing, how I'm placing this my zipper to sew. That's what you should do. So after sewing, this is what we have. So flip and do same thing to the other side. Just watch the way I'm placing it. Place like that too, and you get exactly what I got. Like I was saying, please don't do this to us. Don't just watch and go. Subscribe. And this is the outcome of the zipper part of the bag. This is the outcome. And we went ahead to add the base of the bag, and added lining too to the base of the bag. So when you're adding, you can see the SS. Don't bother, because we know the base is wider. So this is what we got after the sewing. In case you don't know how to do this, please just comment and let me know so I can make a video how to really do this. So this is me attaching the side of the bag to the bag, the side, using my notch to notch pattern. Like, if you've been watching my video, you know notching is very important in every bag making. So like I said, if you don't know how to make this side, let me know so that I can make a fresh video of how to make a side for you. So this is me trying to fix everything. And this is, so you see why I said don't bother, because in the process of fixing everything, we align and you get to trim out the excess from that base of the bag. That's why I said don't bother. So this is it. So after sewing, this is what we have. It's giving what I want it to give. So just trim out that excess. Have you hit the like button for this video? Just do that now, please. Also give us a thumbs up now. Give us a thumbs up. Why you dey do like this? Hit it. It doesn't take anything from you. Hit it. Yes. So I'm also doing the same thing to the back part of the bag. So I'm trying to align everything. So you should do same too if you want a bag with a perfect fit that doesn't bend after sewing it. You know, some people do it for beginners. After sewing their bag, it will bend to one side. If you don't want that kind of a thing, always do this before taking it to your sewing machine to sew. Share you have hit the like button. Thank you for doing that. Hit this. Just give us a thumbs up and share this video. Don't be a stingy viewer. Share. So this everything we've got. So I went ahead to trim out. Yeah, just trim it out, no stress. And straight ahead, I had to give it a bias look. I had to close that rough edge with a bias. And this is our bag. Is it not beautiful? It is. It's beautiful. So this me trying to fix the belt properly. So I went ahead to add that back of the bag, that's handle that I told you about. That's it. Yes, thanks so much for watching. Bye.